Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to reproduce this gold effect on this letter in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to easily add a 3D effect to your letter with highlights and shadows, and also how to add this shiny effect to your creation. By the way, you will need one of my brushes to add this flare to your letter. You can get it for free thanks to the link just below this video. And you will also get at the same time all the brushes I create for my Procreate tutorials in the brush bundle. If you'd like also to use the same color palette, I have created a pack available in the description. Okay, let's go! First, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background, select the background color layer, and choose the black color. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this beige color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then add text, then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. Then choose the Rockwell font in bold style. Now tap Done. Go to the Layers panel, then duplicate your text layer. Tap Edit Text on the bottom part of your letter. Choose this brown color from the color palette. Tap the transformation tool and move it to the bottom. Grab your two text layers by dragging them from left to right. Then tap the transformation tool. Make sure snapping is on. Then place them in the middle at the size you want. Now tap on each text layer, then rasterize them. Let's now create depths by adding highlights and shadows to your letter. Let's do first the shadows on the bottom part of your letter. Take this dark brown color and the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set. Then put your bottom layer on alpha lock mode by sliding with two fingers from left to right. And apply your brush to the edges of your letter. For this particular part, I'm going to use the selection tool. I'll put the rectangle mode, then I select this part. I'll create the shadow on the right side. I tap invert at the bottom, then I create the shadow on this area of the letter. Now let's add the highlights to the top of the letter to start creating the gold effect. To do this, we will create a clipping mask and a mask. If you want to learn more about masks, I invite you to watch this video. Create a new layer. Place it over the top of your letter. Add the clipping mask option. Grab this light beige color. Then use the soft brush horizontally on your layer with a large size. Now tap on your clipping mask layer and add the mask option. Grab the black color. Then create horizontal lines with different brush size on your letter. Now create a new layer above and add the clipping mask option. Tap the N letter, then choose the blend mode overlay. Take the white color from the color palette and the monoline brush from the calligraphy brush set. Then use it with a small size and create an outline around your letter. Now we are going to add the glow effect. To do this, add a new layer, then hide the bottom part of your letter and the background layer. Select your empty layer, go to the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Put this new layer above the bottom part of your letter, and you can make this layer and the background layer reappear. Now go to the Adjustments menu, tap the Bloom layer effect, then slide to the right to adjust the amount of bloom, and also with the sliders at the bottom. Once you are happy with your effect, tap on your canvas with your finger, then tap Apply to commit. For the finishing touches, let's first grab this white color from the color palette, then grab the Bokeh Lights brush from the Luminance brush set, create a new layer, then add slightly some bokeh vertically on your layer. Create a new layer. Then grab the flare brush from my brush bundle. Then tap one time to create the flare. Then use the transformation tool to get it to the right size and position. Now create a new layer. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu. Tap Sharpen Layer. Slide to adjust to 40%. Go to the Adjustments menu again. Tap Noise Layer. Slide to adjust to 5%. And now you have a letter with more crispy texture. And voila! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel to learn more about lettering in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!